8 to the power 2 gives us 64. 64 plus 16 equals 80. 80 divided by 8 equals 10, and 10 times 4 equals 40. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have an addition operator, we have a division operator, and we have a multiplication operator present, but we also have exponent present here, and exponent has higher priority than multiplication or division or addition. So we need to solve this first. So 8 to the power 2, that gives us 64. Our expression becomes 64 plus 16 divided by 8 times 4. So exponents gone now. We have addition, division and multiplication operator present here. According to the rules, multiplication and division have higher priority over addition, and we need to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first, because that's on the left side of the multiplication. So 16 divided by 8, that leaves us with 2, and our expression simplifies to 64 plus 2 times 4. And between addition and multiplication takes priority, so we need to solve this part first. So 2 times 4, that leaves us with 8, and 64 plus 8, that gives us 72, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.